Alright guys, so this is my first time autocrossing. I have my helmet, it's ready. I took out everything so they can spec my car. My number is like a 115. Since again, I've been loving that number since like Nazi Zombies.
Hey, I found something neat.
But they're about to take my car for inspection. See how that goes. So my helmet got approved. And then also my car got approved. Red on red and green. Alright, so this is where we'll start, I guess. I have to walk the course to get an idea what I'll be doing today. Which looks interesting, to be honest. It's pretty zigzag. It's a straight line with the sensor back there. All my stuff are back here just in case anything happens. I can't wait to drive. Pretty nervous, but I went through the course. There's so many nice cars, man. I love this place so far. I guess meeting will be like around 8:20 in the morning. So yeah. So this is where I'll be setting up the GoPro right here in front of it, so it's a nice view from what's in front of me. And then inside, I don't know. I tried putting on my helmet, but there's too much aero in it. Like too many edges like this. It's hard to like actually like stick into it, so I might have to find something to like mount it in different angles. But see how this one works so far. So we'll see.
I'm running between there and where I'm going. There and where I'm going. That's how I look. And now, this is where the line is important. You have the tendency.
Honestly, I'm pretty nervous, guys. Shit, this is pretty fucking awesome. Let's do this. twice out of 4. The first one, I had to go around the cones. I just went straight by accident. And then this one, I went perfectly fine, but there was a gate that I missed. But these two, I did not mess up. I did perfect score, well, perfect course, 79 and then 78, so getting better. Break time. So after you drive, you have to work. Well, drive, brake, and then work for the station just to fix the cones whenever they fuck them up. So yeah. So this is my angle where I'll be taking care of. That side's them, and this side's all me from here, in case anything messes up.
76,490. 76,490 for Daniel Olivio.
Well, this event was freaking awesome, guys. So, second session, first round, 76.821. The one after that, 77.0889. The one after that, the best time I've had with no errors, 76.490. All these no errors, but I almost spun out. Well, I oversteered with this one. Oh well, I recovered it somewhat, a little, but oh well, this is fun. So now time to let the car cool down, lunchtime, and then work. So yeah. This is overwhelming. I like to thank my girlfriend and her brother for helping me out. It's just in case anything bad happens. Well, you never know. You just gotta play it safe. But still, this is worth it, guys. Up next, hopefully soon enough, track days. But I know there's some errors that I did, but definitely gotta learn from them. But what do you expect? It's my first time, so I definitely should have gotten my coilovers first before getting my wheels. Maybe I was just very desperate to get different wheels. I was running the stock Michelin Pilot Sport 4, 215, 40, 18. I am still looking around to see which one I should get next for those moments. Also, another thing is, it's perfectly fine driving it this way as is. It makes me appreciate how the car is when it's stock. With after a few bolt-ons, you'll tell the difference, but as is, it's beautiful. It's amazing. It's fun. Other than that, my car was handling that perfectly fine. It's really fun. It's awesome. I totally recommend it, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much, man. It means a lot. But other than that, man, thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a sub. It means a lot, but have a good one, guys. Take care.